Hi Sharon, my name is Kat. Um, I also have this dream to potentially open up my own business. Um, I'm plant-based or vegan, and I really hope to, in the future, be able to be a dietitian for the plant-based community and really stress that in my practice. And so my question for you is, do you think, like, professional to professional or future professional, do you think taking a couple classes in business is sufficient, or do you think you and I would have to take a couple years of business, get an associate's or get a bachelor's? And maybe it is just that you have to research which works best in what sort of business. But I just wanted to pose that question.